my mate. Hey, you made a permanent home in my head. You moving like a goddess, come my way, my way, my way. Your hips on the move, only a real one can do what you do. I caught a body, but you was the shooter. Damn, shot me down one time. Now you wanna hug me down, long time. Funny how the love can change sometimes. So we say, hey, back up a bago. I'm pulling up on you. Let me show you my world. She told me that I make her feel.
Hey, what's up, you guys? So I am headed to Target because I need to pick up a few things. I'm going on a trip in a week or two, and I just want to make sure that I am organized. Like when it comes down to the last week, I start to scramble and get anxious. So I'm like, let me go ahead of the game and just pick up some things like some makeup sponges, some sunscreens, some seasickness medicine. I already got the Black Girl Magic, Lord. Black Girl sunscreen. It's SPF 30, but I need SPF 50. My dermatologist said that we need to make sure that we are wearing our sunscreen to protect our skin and aging and stuff like that. I'm gonna get some vitamins, all of that. So I want you guys to come with me. But you guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Hit that notification bell so you know my videos are coming out. And let's go to Target. As you guys know, this whole vlog is about me getting ready to go on my Carnival cruise. It's a yearly thing that I do with my friends. Even though you guys see me go on other trips, it's just a tradition. And so for my trips, I always like to do knotless braids. I got large knotless braids right here because it's easy peasy, no maintenance. Tomorrow I'm getting my feet and nails done. Gonna get my panani waxed. I'm gonna get a facial. And then I'm gonna have you guys sit down with me while I pack my things. When I go on my trip, I'm going to Tampa first to party and do some other stuff before I go on my Carnival cruise. But stay tuned to my vlogs because I want you guys to go to Tampa with me and then disembark on my cruise to the DR. It seems like there's not a lot of people out today, and I love that. I love to shop when there's not a lot of people, like with a passion. I actually think I'm gonna go to Ulta after this as well, so I can see what else is out there, what's new. This room spray smells good. It's called Pump Us. I was trying to get some stuff from the home aisle, like smelling the room sprays and stuff, but for some reason the guy was loud. Like he was putting up stuff and all loud and everything, and so I couldn't shop in peace. It's like not a lot of people in the store, but everybody want to be loud today. I'm trying to find some different luggage, but I just want something that's smooth, that moves around. I can easily transport in the airport. And what I like about this right here is that it has like a security thing. Like I like this a lot, so they don't be going through your stuff. What is this? Oh shit, y'all! This thing is magnetic. Like you can't move it, and it won't move until you put the right password in. That's pretty cool. I like this because I need something big. Like I like to travel and put a lot of stuff in my bag. This is a pretty color too. It look like it's like $79. That's not bad. Target always has all the good stuff. The gems. What is this? Oh, it's like a cube set. You put your like shoes inside this little cube and you pack it away. I'm loving this color. It's like a rose gold color. That's my favorite. Like you can pack your shoes so it doesn't get like messed up if it's wet or anything like that. I think I might get this. Oh, it's supposed to be a 2-pack and I only see one in here. Damn, someone must have stole it. I'm upset. I really like this color. Target got everything. So I've been looking for some face stuff. So I got the Oxo acne foaming wash. I heard this was really good. And I got the skin clearing body wash, and it's like comparable to the Neutrogena one. So I'm gonna get this. It's just that I want to get some travel size ones, so I'm gonna be looking around for that. You guys, this is really good for like This is really good for dry skin. And I usually put this on my hands. For some reason, my hands get dry faster. One, because when I put my hands underneath the UV light, it like makes my hands like dry and more wrinkly. So I just started using this because people use this when they get a tattoo. So this is really nice. This is what I got for my trip. I have some Nair. I have the foaming acne wash. I have deodorant. This blade. Gotta get my vitamins. I gotta get my protein and collagen, so I'm gonna have this to go. Got this in case I get a headache from drinking. Body wash, and I finally got the SPF 50 to put on my body. And I just have a few more things and I'll be good to go.
You telling me it's only been a couple other people that you've been with. I'ma trust you, I'ma give you the best.
I'm going to this outside mall. I'm going to Forever 21 only because I didn't want to go to like a luxury mall. I'm just looking for like a quick outfit. Like I try to challenge myself. Can I get an outfit from like Forever 21? I'm trying to find like a quick outfit to go out Saturday before going to cruise. So I'm gonna see what I can find. One is like a teeny bopper store. I'm trying to challenge myself to find something cute that would look good, that's unique. So I took myself out to lunch. I'm at California Pizza Kitchen. I got me some pasta and I ordered a pizza to take home. I'm still intermittent fasting. It's around noon. I usually like to wait till like 2 or 3. I try to push it a little bit, but since I have a meeting, I was like, let me just go ahead and order it now, and I'll shoot for eating later tomorrow. But it's a beautiful day. I usually I go like luxury shopping, but I went to Forever 21 today because I kind of wanted to push myself. Like, can I find an outfit at Forever 21? Can I put an outfit together? Because I didn't feel like going to another mall. So yeah, today is just such a beautiful day, you guys. Later on, I think I'm going to do some editing on some of my videos and work on that, and that'll be about it. So this is the pasta I got. It's called like tequila pasta. It's really good. I guess I don't know what it's made out of, but it looks healthy. And then they gave me some bread, not a lot, you guys, and then I ordered a pizza for later to munch on. I had to kind of like divulge a little bit.
Ay, look, ay, bread it up like sandwich. Are you okay? Working on my hand trick for your hoe's sake. Stunting like I better be, recipe for my own cake. Heavenly, my pedigree, better meet for my own sake. Bread it up like sandwich. Are you okay? Working on my hand trick for your hoe's sake. Stunting like I better be, recipe for my own cake. Heavenly, my pedigree, better meet for my.
Look, drip on me puddling, vibe spiritual. My life did 180, low-key a miracle. Pull up looking spacey up in the coupe, but it feel like a spaceship. I'm floating, I'm faded.
Little by little, I've been checking things off of my list. I got my eyebrows done, got my hair done, got my nails done, got my thing waxed. The only other thing that I gotta do is take the COVID test. I'm taking 2 of them, one from CVS, one from Walmart, just in case there was some kind of hiccup or anything like that, because you have to take the test, the PCR test, before you go on the ship. And so far everything is going smooth. I just have to look through my bag and make sure that everything is there, that I'm not missing anything, that I got all my paperwork, my passport, all of that. So I'm really, really excited. I don't know why this trip is more stressful than the others. I feel like I'm spending way more money than last time, and I'm trying to save too. It's okay. I'm gonna get right back on the ball when I come back. But I'm truly excited. And you know, when I go on my trips, I have fun. I document everything. So I know you guys are going to enjoy my vlogs. I'm going to try to have like 4 or 5 vlogs out of that, you know. So I'm at the CVS line. You go through the pharmacy because I'm going to take this COVID test. And then afterward, I'm going to Walgreens to take the test. There's one more person in front of me. Hopefully they don't take a long time, because once you're in line, you're good. They take the swab and you're Gucci. I'm taking 2 just because I don't want no issues. But y'all, my flight got canceled to Florida. But luckily I was like on my phone, because I was able to, they scheduled one, but it was like 2 connecting flights. And I'm like, I don't want my luggage stuck. I was supposed to get to Florida early in the morning tomorrow, but now I'm going to get there at 4. But I selected a non-stop, because I don't want my luggage stolen or anything. I can't have no issues, you know, especially when you're going on a ship. So yeah, I was really pissed about it, but maybe there's a reason. Maybe the universe did that for a reason. So I'm just gonna go with the flow. So when I got here, I had to give her a confirmation number, and she's just gonna go over the protocol, but she's just gonna get the labeling for the test and put it on the tube and everything. So that's just what I'm waiting for. Second one, walk. Everything looks good. Okay, so I'm about to double check everything in my bag, make sure that I have everything. The last thing that I need to pack is like my makeup and like my pullover for the airport. And then I'm going to clean, because like when I'm trying to put everything together in my backpack, my room is an absolute mess, my YouTube room. So after I have everything together, then I'll try to vacuum and just make this room better. But yeah, let me start taking everything out, and then I'm gonna put everything else back in. I also have to make sure that my bag doesn't weigh over 50 pounds. So I mean, I really can't tell. The only thing I can do is just leave room in my other backpack. So I'm thinking about bringing a carry-on, one that goes under the plane, and then a backpack. The only thing about having 3 bags is that like I don't want to forget or like have too much stuff. Okay, so I'm just taking everything out. I have these hats, but they're barely fitting. They're barely fitting. I have another hat right here. It's just stuffed to the brim. Like, really, these are like, these are dresses for like when we have dinner and stuff on the ship, and then like, it's just a lot. What is wrong with you? She wanted to come in so bad. Are you happy, Prada? Hey, look at me, little fat butt. Right here, I have like my jewelry. I have my lashes. Jewelry, lashes, and sunglasses are basically in here. Back on the side. This bag right here has like my shoes and I have like equipment for my cameras and stuff like that. All my cameras, I got this cute bag from Target. I have all my cameras and equipment. And then I have this cute toiletry bag from Target. Oh my gosh, it was like 20-something dollars, really cute. Let me open it for you guys. I'm using one hand since I'm vlogging or whatever. All my equipment that holds my stuff is in my bag. So what I like about this is like, look at that. It has like these little compartments. This is all my toiletry stuff. The stuff for my sinuses, shaving, all that. It's cute. Got this cute little thing from Sephora. Put that back in there. Whew, packing is stressful. And then I bought some shea butter from the beauty supply store. I wear shea butter almost every night. I put shea butter on my face. My face be looking like a greased chicken, but shea butter is good for your skin. So I don't get acne or anything from it. When I was younger, I used to get a lot of acne, but yeah, really good for your skin. So I put this on every night. You guys should too. All right, you guys, so I am at the airport. I am drinking a lemon martini. Yes, it's in the morning, but there are no rules when you're on vacation, y'all. There is no rules to the game. So I'm excited to be on the beach, to be on a cruise and be with my friends. And I'm about to be on the plane. So the next vlog you'll see is my vacation. And make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Oh my mate, you made a permanent home in my head.